everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn another shortcut, finding cube of any number in just 5 seconds. This shortcut is really easy. For this also you need the knowledge of cubes. Like 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27 till 10 cubed, which is 1000. If you don't know already, please memorize them now. I'm going to explain this shortcut with few questions. Let's do the first one, 14 cubed. So we are going to split the answer into 4 parts. First part will be cube of the first digit, which is 1 in this case, 1 cubed, which is 1. Now last part will be cube of the second digit, 4 cubed. 4 cubed is 64. Now, to find the middle parts, we have to multiply these three numbers first. 1 4s are 4, 4 3s are 12. And to get this part, multiply 12 and 1. 1 12s are 12. And to get this part, the third part of the answer, multiply the 12 by the next digit 14, which is 48. Now, to get the final answer, concentrate only on the units place. Write them one by one. Here, in this case, 4 is the units place. Write that down and be left with 6. Carry forward to the next place. 48 plus 6 is 54. Again, just write the unit place. 4 comes here. And 5, carry forward to the next place. 12 plus 5, 17. Just write the unit place, 7. And 1 is the carry again. 1 plus 1, 2. So 14 cubed is equal to 2744. This is the answer. I hope you understand this technique. Is it not really amazing and quick? Let's do few more. 52 the whole cubed. Again, we split the answer into 4 parts. First part will be 5 cubed, 125. Last part is 2 cubed, which is 8. To fill the middle parts, as I already mentioned, multiply the three numbers 5 times 2 times 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Now, to get this part of the answer, multiply 30 and 5, which gets us 150. Write it here. And to this part, multiply 30 by 2, which is 60. Again, the same step. Write only the unit places. 8 is single digit, write as it is. Now here, 60. Write the unit place alone. 0. Take the 6 to the next place. 156. Again, only the unit place to be written here. 6. And we left with 15. Add it with the next digit or next place, which gives you 140. So as there is no more number, write that as the final answer. So 52 cubed is 140,608. Such a big answer, we got it in few seconds. Let's do a 3-digit number, because you must be wondering how to do the 3-digit number cubing. So here we need to split the question itself into 2 parts. 10 is the first part and 5 is another part. Again, we split the answer into 4 parts as usual. So what will be the first part? 10. In this case it's 10. 10 cubed will be the first part. What is 10 cubed? 1000. Write it here. Now the last part of the answer, 5 cubed, which is 125. Now to fill the middle parts, again multiply the three numbers. It's 10, 5 and 3 this time. 10 5s are 50, 53s are 150. Now to get this part of the answer, multiply the 10 and 150, which gives you 1500. Now to get the next part of the answer, multiply the 5 and 150, which gives you 750. Again, we are going to repeat the same step, concentrating only on the units place and the rest to be taken to the next places. Write 5 because that is the unit place. 12 goes to this number which gives you 762. Again, write only the unit place. 2, we left with 76. Add it with 1500, which is 1576. Again, write only the unit place. 6. 157 is the carry. 1000 plus 157 gives you 1157. That needs to be written as it is. 1157. Let me write the commas. See, such a big answer. We got it in few seconds. So 105 cubed is equal to 1,157,625. So is it not really quick and amazing, students? As I have already mentioned, to get a hang of a shortcut or a trick, please practice the shortcut with 6 to 7 problems. After practicing, you can able to do it within 5 seconds. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more useful shortcuts and tricks. See you next time. Take care. Stay safe.